Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Exquisite Info TV. Kung first time ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload na video. The first stage of construction is to create a concept, followed by a design and blueprint. Typically this is done with the help of an architect to ensure everything is up to code and that the design will be structurally sound and stable. Once you have blueprint and construction plans, you will need to obtain the right building and construction permits. This process will be ongoing throughout the construction project, as you need to obtain different permits at different times. After obtaining your initial building permit, your construction project will commence by clearing and excavating the land upon which you want to build. This includes removing any trees, boulders or other obstacles that are in the way of your building. When the area is cleared and excavated, the foundation can be poured, depending on the size of your building and the stability of the land. Preparing the surface may need to be done prior to the foundation being poured. Once the foundation has been poured and cleared, framing begins on your building. This might include installing wood frames. This process does take a while and it is important that everything is done correctly. This essentially sets the groundwork upon which all the other aspects of your building will follow. After the building has been completed framed out, specialty contractor will come in to complete rough electrical and plumbing work. This involves installing the pipes and wires where they need to go. Their job will not be completed at this point, but it helps to get the rough work in place so drywall insulation and sealants can go out. About the same time that the rough electrical and plumbing work is done, roofers come in to complete the roof on the building. This needs to be done before any further work inside of the building can take place, as rain and outdoor elements can damage the work that is taking place in the next few steps. About this time, contractor will also be called in to complete the exterior of the building, further protecting the interior work that is about to take place. Once the building has exterior walls and a roof, heating and cooling needs are addressed, vents, ductwork and the heating and cooling unit are all installed. Once the interior walls are up, all of the fixtures inside of a space can be added. This includes things like toilets, cabinets, windows and doors. The last stage of construction involves putting the finishing touches on the building. This involves installing flooring, painting the walls, putting countertops or adding faucets in the bathroom. Once this stage is done, the building process will be completed and you will be left with a beautiful home. watching my video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so to show your support, and if possible please don't skip the ads as these are my means to earn through my hard work. Thank you for your support. Please hit the subscribe button for more free videos and click notification bell for updates.